Here's how you can use an alignment stick to help you improve your distance control with your wedges. Now, when it comes to distance control, your launch angle is crucial. And that's just simply how high or how low is the golf ball taking off from off the club face. If we're launching the ball too high, although we're going to get really nice high flighted shots that stop quickly, we're going to need to use a lot of speed to get them to the target, which means as we get to further distances with our wedges, we may have to resort to using a less lofty club to get it there, which is going to reduce some of our control and our stopping power. If on the flip side we're launching the ball too low, that means that the ball is coming off the club face very quickly, which means any slight change in club head speed will create a much bigger jump in the distance. Not only that, but the ball will typically be coming in a lot lower, which means it's not going to have the same sort of stopping power, and we'll see shots that just tend to run off the other side of the green. So the appropriate launch, if we put the number on it, is around about 30 degrees. Now, unless you've got a launch monitor to measure that, obviously you're not going to be able to tell. But what we can do is use an alignment stick to give us an idea. What you're going to do is set yourself up and then place the alignment stick about 1 3/4 of an alignment stick away from you, like so. And what you're going to do is try and hit shots where you essentially just try and take the very tip of the alignment stick off. You're trying to hit the very top of the alignment stick whilst hitting towards your target out there. Now what this does is if you get it to launch through that window, as it were, gives you a very good idea that you are launching it within that 30-degree launch angle, somewhere thereabouts. If you start to see the ball jumping up above the alignment stick, you'll see it obviously comes out a lot higher. You'll probably find it doesn't quite carry the distance that you're trying to get. And on the flip side, if we have the ball coming out on the lower part of the stick, you'll find the ball suddenly rockets out off the club face, goes a lot further than you expected, and probably trundles off on the other side of the green as well. So using that alignment stick can give you a really nice reference for if you are hitting the appropriate launch angle to give you the best chance of controlling your distances extremely well with your wedges.